Lesson 1. Introduction to Spanish. Objective. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to greet others, introduce themselves, and engage in basic conversations in Spanish. 1. Greetings and introductions. Learn common greetings. Hola, hello, buenos días, good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches, good evening. Practice introducing yourself. Me llamo your name. My name is your name. Role play. Greetings and introductions with a partner. 2. Basic vocabulary. Learn basic vocabulary for everyday objects and people. Casa, house, libro, book, lápiz, pencil, amigo, amiga, friend, familia, family, comida, food. Practice vocabulary pronunciation and spelling. 3. Numbers 1-10. Learn numbers 1 to 10. Uno, 1, dos, 2, tres, 3, cuatro, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Practice counting aloud and writing the numbers. 4. Conversation. Practice. Engage in basic conversations with classmates. Greetings. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Hello. How are you? Introductions. Me llamo, your name. ¿Y tú? My name is, your name. And you? Asking and answering simple questions. ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? Tengo, age, años. I am, age, years old. Using basic vocabulary. ¿Tienes un lápiz? Do you have a pencil? Sí, tengo un lápiz. Yes, I have a pencil. 5. Cultural insight. Learn about Spanish-speaking countries and their diverse cultures. Discuss the importance of greetings and introductions in Spanish-speaking cultures. Homework. Practice greetings and introductions with family or friends. Review vocabulary and numbers 1-10. Write a short paragraph introducing yourself in Spanish. Buena suerte. Good luck with your Spanish learning journey. Lesson 2. Basic Spanish Grammar. Objective. By the end of this lesson, students will understand basic grammar concepts including gender and number agreement, definite and indefinite articles, and present tense verb conjugation. 1. Gender and number agreement. Learn that nouns in Spanish have gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural. Practice identifying the gender and number of nouns and their corresponding articles. Ella, los, las. 2. Definite and indefinite articles. Learn the definite articles. El, masculine singular. La, feminine singular. Los, masculine plural. Las, feminine plural. Learn the indefinite articles. Un, masculine singular. Una, feminine singular. Unos, masculine plural. Unas, feminine plural. Practice using definite and indefinite articles with nouns. 3. Present, tense, verb, conjugation. Learn regular present tense, verb, conjugation patterns for are, and verbs. Practice conjugating common verbs like hablar to speak, comer to eat, and vivir to live in the present tense. Introduce irregular verbs like ser to be and estar to be in the present tense. 4. Conversation practice. Engage in conversations using newly learned grammar concepts. Describe people and objects using appropriate articles and adjectives. La casa es grande. The house is big. Talk about daily activities using present tense verbs. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Practice asking and answering questions. ¿Qué haces? What do you do? Yo como. I eat. 5. Cultural insight. Discuss how language reflects cultural values and perspectives. Explore cultural differences in the use of gender and number in language. Homework. Practice conjugating regular and irregular verbs in the present tense. Write sentences describing objects or people using appropriate articles and adjectives. Watch a short video or listen to a song in Spanish and identify examples of gender and number agreement. Siga si. Keep up the good work with your Spanish studies. Lesson 3. Essential vocabulary and phrases for daily life. Objective. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to communicate effectively in various everyday situations by expanding their vocabulary and mastering common phrases. 1. Essential vocabulary. Learn vocabulary related to daily activities such as desayuno, breakfast, almuerzo, lunch, cena, dinner, trabajo, work, escuela, school, casa, home, comida, food, bebida, drink, ropa, clothing. Practice pronunciation and usage of new vocabulary words. 2. Common phrases. Learn and practice common phrases used in daily interactions, including ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Por favor, please. Gracias, thank you. De nada, you're welcome. ¿Dónde está? Where is? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? Role-play scenarios to practice using these phrases in context. 3. Shopping and directions. Learn vocabulary related to shopping and asking for directions. Tienda, store, mercado, market, caja, checkout counter. Calle, street, izquierda, left, derecha, right, adelante, straight ahead. Practice asking for and giving directions in simulated scenarios. 4. Conversation practice. Engage in dialogues and role plays, focusing on real-life situations. Ordering food in a restaurant. Quisiera una hamburguesa, por favor. I would like a burger, please. Shopping for clothing. ¿Tienen esta camisa en mi talla? Do you have this shirt in my size? Asking for directions. ¿Dónde está la estación de metro más cercana? Where is the nearest metro station? 5. Cultural insight. Explore cultural norms and customs related to daily interactions, such as meal times, greetings, and politeness. Discuss the importance of understanding local customs when traveling or interacting with Spanish speakers. Homework. Create flashcards or practice quizzes to reinforce new vocabulary and phrases. Write a short dialogue or role-play script incorporating vocabulary and phrases learned in this lesson. Practice asking for directions or ordering food in Spanish during a real-life scenario, if possible. Adelante. Keep moving forward with your Spanish learning journey.